So this is selected here, and this should come actually. Let me do one more time. Refresh is not happening, that's a problem. Okay, so right now I'm leaving default, nothing. Okay, and issue type also it should come. For some reason, I see that, just hold on. Jira site is this one. Git. Correct, no problem. Okay, so no problem. I will see that one more time screenshot. And for that, this should priority and type should come, but it's not coming. But still I'll go through that. Okay, I'll just save it. Now guys, remember that the ticket should be created when the job is failing, correct? All of you?
Yeah.
So I'm building right now. And the build number 2 is in progress. Is success. If you go and check the logs, see here, there is no Jira plugins calling. Okay, so everything is good. Now I will go to the Jira, which is here, not here, here, and refresh it. See that if any issues you got open. No, nothing. So what I will do, I will go back to Jira and I fail this particular job. How can I fail it? Many ways to fail it. Simple tricks I'll tell you. You see the compile here.
Yes.
Just add 1, 2 or random, because compile is a reserved keyword in the Maven. If you write anything, it will fail the build. Simple. Save it and build now. These jobs will fail. Build number 3. See, failure has happened. Console output. Failure has happened because of the SC. And now you see that here. All of you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So issues should be created. Now I should go to the Jira and refresh it. And here, unfortunately, I am not getting any issues. And the reason I know that because it's not working as expected. Because if you see that here, there is some error. And this error has come because of, see here. Are you able to see that? Okay, so they try to create a Jira ticket, but lack of options, I see that it did not create it. So what should I do? So I have a very limited option because this plugin is not controlled by me. Still, I will just check one more time why this pop-up is not happening. This project name is correct, right? Yep. Assignee, I'll just disable it. See that it's taking. It's not taking at all. So I'll go to the, I'm just doing the troubleshooting. This you can take it as a troubleshooting, checking every options available, which might find and fix the problem. So here URL is okay. This is okay. Alternative support locations, issue pattern, and connection timeout. This role is not required, and validate settings. See, this success means I have no problem from here. So I will go one more time and the jobs. Okay, so I'll go to the jobs, Jira configurations. I will check here also. Here I'm getting this. So Everything should be correct. There's no other options to enable. This pop-up should come. Pop-up should come for some reason. Okay, let me do one thing. This is not expected. So what I'll do, I'll just try to restart this. Probably it will fix it. There's no other around actually. Okay, so sometime now you'll say, Rajesh, why it's not stable? So these plugins are developed by community and the different vendors. So again, the stability of these plugins dependent on them only. So mind it, I have used the latest version of Jenkins and the latest version of plugins also. So it has some problem, and I see that it's not working, but the process will become a same. So let me log in and see if that is fixing the issue. If it will fix that issue, wonderful. One more check I am having it, which I will show you a little bit. I'm showing you all these options which you can do to fix that issues. And configure post build actions. No, issue priority is not coming. Type also should come now. The last option which I am having is I'm just checking whether this Jira plugin is compatible with the latest version or not. So for that, what I will do, I'll go to the Manage Jenkins, Uninstall tab, filter the Jira, and click on Jira plugin. And I will read these documents and see that which version is supported. So this release has happened a week ago. The version of this plugin is 3.7.1, which I am having as well, which is here. But this is supporting the Jenkins, which is 2.277, out of which Jenkins I'm having 2.33. Did you understand the why it's not working now?
Yes.
Yeah. So overall, this kind of stuff you will come across every time in the plugins. So you have to be a little careful. So this requires older Jenkins. Okay. One more check I will do that. The steps might change sometime. So am I doing the right steps or not? That I need to validate. So in this page itself, you'll have a documentation. So you just read it and see that. So this is the configuration option. It worked for me, no problem. But in the issue, I mean, in the job section, what should I do? So here, this is the parameterize option. And this is a parameterize option is not needed for us. This is for authentications required. So I don't think so there's any content for that. This for generating a release notes I'm not doing. Jira issue, create. So no, there's nothing as such. Still, I will check one more time because it's usually it will work under the build. Here also you have. Okay, so post build also you have these options. Under the build also you have these options. So Jira new version, no, I don't want. Field updated, no. These all are not for the issue, creating a issues. So post build was the right choice. Here, something else you can do that. And Raj. So here what I'm trying to do, I'm checking whether the really Jenkins is sorry, Jira plugin, all functionality is broken or some of the functionality is working or not. So here what I'm doing, creating a new version. What is a new version? So if you go to the project and you see releases, okay. So here, let it refresh. Yeah. So here I don't have any versions actually. Do you see that version? Manually I'll create it. Okay. 4.5 and this I created. So this is a new version I created. So like that, what I'm doing, also I'm creating 1.0 version. Okay, this is the same thing I'm doing. Save it. And one more thing I'll do just a second. Under the build, this should be up. Otherwise failure will happen before that. And build. And let's check it out. If build number 4, failure is expected. And here, you see that here? Hello? All of you?
Yes.
So that means it's working. There is no error. But I see that error during the creation. So let's check it out. Let's refresh it. See here, 1.0 has come. Okay, let me check. Let me pass this build. Just give me 2 seconds. So integration is working, but there's a problem in the software itself. I mean, plugin itself. So that I am helpless actually. So unfortunately, it's not. Okay. So this is the overall integration. So what are the steps I did? I did this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now, because we have some issues here for the issue creation, we have error here. What we can do, you can try some other integration like a version creation, which is working right now. Did you understand? All of you?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, this is the step to integrate Jira. So it should be, by the way, I created one separate Jira ticket for it. But in realistic, you will configure with your jobs, the one which are performing. And multiple work you can do with the Jira integration. And overall, this is the steps we perform. Anyone have any questions?
Rajesh, whether the ticket is created in Jira?
No, that is I said no, it has a issues. Let me try one more time. So I will have to pass the build, then fail. So I'm passing the build. This time it will pass the build. Okay. Build number 5 I'm passing. See here passed. And here, see again is created successful. Now I'll fail this. So ticket will be expected. So I'll fail this and failure again. Save it. Build now. So 6 build number failure will happen and go to the console output. See, this is the some error is coming. So it's support. It's a support issues, I guess. Like all the functionality of this plugin is not working with that my Jenkins, but it will work with this particular Jenkins. Make sense?
But you change that version, right, to 1.0 for Jira.
Oh no! I did not change. That was not the version of Jira. What was that? Anyone have idea? Did you miss the what I was trying to tell you?
Maybe I missed that sentence, but my understanding was that because of not supporting version, you made it.
No. Anyone who understood or everyone got confused with my steps?
So that version belongs to only Jira there. It
Correct.
doesn't belong to
Yes.
Jenkins.
See, in the Jira, I have a issue creation, version creation, release creation, many things you have it. So issue creation was having error, but I tried and to check whether the Jenkins integration is working or not. So I created a version in a Jira project and it worked. Got it? It's not related to that version. Are you understanding? Hello. Okay. So guys, this is the stuff. This is the steps which you have. Again, this will have issues, but still you do that. Okay. And this I want you to create. So basically, I should see here 30 projects, and each projects I should go and see the releases. You should have a certain versions. That's my expectation from this lab. Are you comfortable?
Rajesh, I got one question.
Hmm.
Suppose can we make a workflow like someone closes the Jira, then the build automatically do it again? Something like that functionality we can implement?
You can do that, but theory you have to change. Theoretical. Think about it. Let's create an image for it. You said this is the Jenkins, okay?
Hmm.
And this is the Jira, correct now?
Correct.
This is the Jira, this is Jenkins. This is me. I mean, me means you and me. Now what you said? Can you repeat the statement?
Jenkins, we did the build, but we got a Jira ticket.
No, that was I did it, but your question was
Ah.
something different.
Now, in the Jira, I have closed my ticket. So that build
So
should
you,
automatically happen again.
so you here, you close the ticket, correct?
Correct.
And then after that, what should happen?
Rebuild should happen in Jenkins.
Build trigger should happen, correct?
Correct.
So who will trigger the job?
Jenkins will Jira ticket
Jira.
closer should do it.
So here you have to write webhooks for Jira. That's possible. Remember,
Oh.
I repeat, webhooks for Jira on event call closing the ticket. This will trigger. This URL will trigger. So this integration you have to do in the Jira. Okay. Now my topic, which we have, is Jenkins. By the way, both the way is possible.
Like
Okay.
it will be similar like how we did it for GitHub. That
Correct,
push.
correct. In the Jira also you have a scripting hooks actually. Jira hooks. Okay. You can enable that. So conceptually it's supported in Jira also.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, I'm updating the notes, which is of the day 2. I'll give you 15 to 20 minutes to try it out if you get stuck. Remember that expectation was this one, but I want you to do that with the error itself. Maybe in future it will work, so you should not forget that steps. And I want you to create in real version creation. So I am updating the notes. And it's a day 2 notes, okay? Everything you have in the day 2.txt only. So let's go through this and spend some time. Go ahead, guys. It's your time now.
Can you share that GitHub link?
Yes. Oh, I thought you must have created a fab or something. Fab it out, guys. That's repository. Will be there for lifetime.
Rajesh?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yesterday, second of I didn't buy any much lab. Okay. Can you help immediately the installation of that Git chain as well as maybe very faster? I know some process, but can you help it to be very faster?
Sorry, your voice is not coming clear. What was the question?
Last yesterday, second up, I was just listening. I didn't do any much lab because I have some other work. Okay. So can you help me the setup of Maven as well as Git?
Okay. If you can share your screen, probably I'll help you. But again, because it was a pretty long session, my advice would be to go through the recording and do with a peace of mind. Because now if I tell you that, okay, you do this, the whole flow you will not understand. You will get it work with my help, but whole flow you will not get it working.
No, I saw the, no, I was in the meet, but I didn't meet any lab. That's it. Only lab I didn't make, but I know that all the steps are and everything.
Yeah.
Sometime I learned Jenkins, but maybe 2-3 years back, I just.
Yeah, you can share your screen. You can ask a question. I'll help you.
Sure, sure.
Hello, Rajesh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually am unable to ping my IP. So is it possible to restore the respond?
No, what you said, sir? Unable to?
Ping the IP means Jenkins server we are accessing now with respect to your
Yeah,
assigned
that's what I'm
command.
saying. No, I said I gave you the new server. It's there in the day two. That's what I've been talking and using for last 1 hour.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Rajesh? Hello?
I can hear you.
Yeah, Rajesh, I made that SSH key IP address when I tried to open this one. Or I upload that PKP file.
No, you will not be able to do this stuff actually because the server is not there anymore. You have got a new server today with the Jenkins.
Okay,
So
what is
do
the
a,
company?
yeah. So if you do all this stuff, no, that our setup will be spoiled actually. This is the installation activities which you are doing.
Okay.
So do one thing. Don't do this one in offline. You can try. Okay. And today you be in line with the what I asked you to do that. Use the my Jenkins server and start doing directly. So forget about the installation. That's not a challenge here. Okay.
Okay. So which link we have to use? Your link, huh? For
Yeah,
this.
I gave you the day2.txt. No? Did you saw my demo? Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, Rajesh.
Yeah, so just follow that demo only. Forget about that because installations again is a we have to again back to the history and then do the rest of it.
Okay. So can you give your Jenkins URL?
I gave it to you, know, day2.txt. You have
Okay.
everything over there.
Yeah.
Everything, Jira, Jenkins, Nexus, all these things you have in day2.txt. Go down. Yeah, somewhere 25th line. 25th. It was there. No? Jenkins, 44 line, 44 line. 44. Yeah, that's.
It is hosted in. So now I have to create same like my folder and I have to do it, right?
That's correct.
I have to create my list. Nice.
Yeah, Rajesh.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, so should we create a new Jira account now because the one your IP address like it's already created, right? So just wanted to like you told you not to use your Jira, right? So
In Jenkins, you have to add one new entry with the same server.
Okay. So like there were two commands like the Docker thing. Doctor, should I run that in the?
No. I think you
Okay.
missed the entire demo in that case. You have to do only the Jenkins work. All the prerequisite work I have completed.
Okay, fine.
Probably what you can do in the lunch hour, you just call the Mukuran and
Okay.
get the recording up to the lunch hour. You watch this in the lunch hour, what I did, and then probably it'll help you because again, redoing the same thing is not going to make sense.
Okay, fine.
Done that.
Okay, great.
But Rajesh, while copying your code, so the organize will be that's mean the started by means it's under your name it will become or it's come to my name, Rajesh.
Which organization?
That console output we have to check that, right? Who will they start that job?
Everyone has the same access, no?
Okay, it's under your name only. It's come, right?
But you have a same access.
Okay. And Rajesh, could you please share these recordings because we can't able to download it because we are getting access for that login access and it's
Yeah,
sometimes it is showing it's an.
Mukram, he has shared. He's keep sharing that. So,
Okay.
so if you look at this, he'll share with you. Just
Sure.
talk to him. Mukram, are you in this call? Yeah, he was there in the mornings. He shared many things actually.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we're getting access denied, Rajesh. Sorry.
Okay. Okay. Guys, I think I'll just buzz to attend him. I mean, I'll buzz him to attend this session. Probably he should, because I'm not the owning this meeting, so I have no idea what he's doing, you know. So let me buzz him.
Hello everyone, if you would like to access the remaining videos of this playlist of 50 plus more tools which are coming under DevOps, DevSecOps, SRE, DataOps, GitOps, etc. Kindly become our channel members by clicking on the joining button. You would have access to 100s of playlists and 1000s of videos lifetime access with this membership. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.